Hello my dear students, welcome to the channel. So students, today I am going to give the answer of chapter number 8 Natural Resources from 6th standard Geography. Let's see the exercise. See the first question. A, what is the use of the following resources? तो आपको water का resource find out करना है. Sources of water is drinking, washing clothes, bathing, farming, producing salt etc. And second is forest. Forest का आएगा fruits, flowers, wood, honey, rubber, resins, latex, habitats of animal. Third one, animals. Uses of animals are ploughing, riding, transporting, products like milk, egg, meat, bones, wool, etc. And from minerals, answer. Metallic minerals are used for obtaining various metals and non-metallic minerals are useful for obtaining various chemicals. Next, land. Selling and buying, constructing houses, trading. All living things born on land grow, live and die on land itself. Next is B. Complete the following flow chart. सो फर्स्ट आपको नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज दिए हैं, तो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज में देखो सॉइल, एयर, वाटर, इसी तरह से आपको इसको कंप्लीट करना है. तो जैसे सॉइल में यहाँ पर एग्रीकल्चर दिया है. नेक्स्ट आपका रेस्पिरेशन है, तो रेस्पिरेशन में एयर आएगा. देन आपका वाटर है, देन उसके लिए आपको ड्रिंकिंग आएगा. तो इसी तरह से आपको इसी फ्लोर चार्ट कंप्लीट करना है. एयर का रेस्पिरेशन है, वाटर का ड्रिंकिंग, मिनरल्स मेटल, वेजिटेशन वुड, वाटर फिश, एनिमल्स मिल्क, एग, मीट. नेक्स्ट is C. Answer the following questions. What factors influences the formation of soil? Answer. Due to continuous variations on the temperature, rocks get composed. Due to river, glaciers and winds, rock particles are deposited slowly towards low-lying areas. In this way, the factors like original rock, climate, organic components, slope of lands and time influence the formation of soil. Question number C, second. Which products are obtained from forest? Answer. Fruits, flowers, wood, honey, rubber, resin, latex, etc. Third. What are the uses of minerals? Answer. Metallic minerals are used for obtaining different metals such as iron, bauxite, etc. Non-metallic minerals are used for obtaining various chemicals. These chemicals are further used for preparing different medicines. Next question, C, fourth. What are the purposes for which land is used? Answer. Land is used for selling and buying, constructing houses, trading, carrying out business, etc. All living things that are born on land grow, live and die on land itself. Next question, C, fifth. Why is it necessary to conserve the natural resources? Answer. Most of the natural resources are limited. Increase in human population and greed of human led to exploitative use of natural resources. This began to upset the balance of nature. Therefore, it is necessary to conserve natural resources.